Welcome to this episode of Ask the Expert. Today we will talk about another important question regarding the TruArc Weld 1000. And the question is, how much effort is it to install this machine? So how much time do you need? How many technicians are necessary to get you ready for production? My name is Robin and I'm project manager for the welding machines from TRUMPF. And today I will show you the whole process together with my colleague Thomas here. As you can see, the machine comes in one piece. So after unloading it from the truck, you simply transport it to its destination using a forklift or a crane that can handle 2.6 tons. As everything is pre-assembled and mounted on a very solid frame, there is no axis alignment or calibration necessary. The only thing you need to make sure is that the table is flat, because otherwise you might have problems with the melted material. So the TruArc Weld has 3 adjustable legs to make sure that the flatness of the table is given. Other than that, you don't have to worry about the precision or the exact location of the machine. Now we can already start plugging in the electricity, shielding gas, and pressured air. In order to set up the machine, you will need an electrician who is allowed to open the switch cabinet and connect all cables. Then you can simply plug in the electricity. Afterwards, you connect the pressured air and the shielding gas. Then you are ready to turn on the machine. Scanning this QR code will open up a step-by-step guide how to commission this machine. Scanning the other QR code will automatically open up the e-learning, so you will get a step-by-step guidance how to utilize the machine correctly. This is all it takes to set up the machine, and you don't need a single TRUMPF technician to do the installation. The machine is meant to be easy to use from the very beginning, and it's meant to give you more flexibility. We are currently extending our customer center for you, and we're really profiting from this easy installation, as removing the machine is so simple and done in several hours. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm looking forward to your feedback and question. Have a good day and take care.